the statistics aren't encouraging. There are still more smokers than Smoke Free New Zealand had hoped for by 2015. But it's not too late to find the right solution, and a Canterbury doctor says he has the answer. There's just under 10 years until the government wants Canterbury and the rest of New Zealand to become smoke-free. But one Christchurch professor at Canterbury University says more needs to be done to achieve this goal. The Smoke Free 2025 campaign was launched back in March 2011 with a goal to have the number of smokers reduced to less than 5%.
There's a lot that can be done, and if people ask what can be done, I would say they should ask government what they're going to do in the coming budget.
He's been working in health for a number of years, being a principal medical officer for 18 of them, regarded as one of the country's most experienced researchers on smoking policy. In his latest research, he's worked out over the next 10 years, the 5% target for the number of people smoking won't be met, saying it would be more likely to be sitting around 7 to 10%. Smoking tobacco kills around 5,000 people throughout the country every year. That's around 13 New Zealanders a day. And he says the price needs to climb further for the goal to be reached and lives to be saved.
At the moment, the price is going to rise by 10% a year. Now, we've calculated that out, and it does not reach the goal of less than 5% smoking in 2025.
However, he's confident the goal can be achieved by the 10-year mark. After studying alongside a number of researchers, he believes they've found the best solution, something that's already on the market: e-cigarettes.
The two things that should be done next out of all those is to make electronic cigarettes freely available and to raise the price of conventional cigarettes by 20%.
Although he says the electronic versions are a better alternative, he believes the nicotine options should be made available to the public to give them a better chance of quitting. Currently, nicotine cartridges for the devices are illegal in New Zealand, and e-cigarettes can only be sold to people over the age of 18. But he believes there should be a change in the law around the nicotine cartridges.
Electronic cigarettes are much cheaper, they're much safer, and our own research shows that. And we also need to decrease the amount of nicotine per cigarette. So those are the things we need to do.
He says it's not an unusual ask, saying it can be done. But he'll be waiting for the budget to be announced in 2 weeks' time, seeing what the government's next step is for a smoke-free future. Jared McCulloch, CTV News.